Town Member of Parliament Patrick Wainaina stormed Thika Lands Registry following reported complaints by residents of a poor service delivery. Accompanied by the Thika West Deputy County Commissioner Douglas Mutai, Wainaina sought answers to various complaints lodged by the public, among them delayed land search results and double allocation of land documents as experienced in some areas.
Now all the records are here. Yes. So it's story here. Yeah. Let me see this thing again. Look, in my life. Let me introduce this gentleman. This gentleman. We take a bursary. Here we and he serves.
Give us some few days. We'll sort our house, put our house in order, and you'll start receiving. Especially, I know your main issues has been delays in searches. We assure you before the end of next week, we'll not have any backlog. We'll make sure that we work on that and ensure that we deliver them within 2 days at most. Ile kitu tutaomba ni be patient. Kitu ingine, ukiapply search, usiapply more than once a week.
Lalamiko kubwa vile nimesikia ni ile ya land search, lakini pia kuna malalamiko mengine mingi. Kwa sababu this is a full-fledged launch, the registration department office, but I think the issues that I had are really genuine. There is serious lack of workforce, ama tuseme hakuna watu wa kutosha wa kufanya ile kazi, na mimi mwenyewe tumeongea na registrar na nimesema nitaenda mpaka kwa ile ofisi ya ministry kule kwa CS na tukae chini, kwa sababu hii ni ofisi muhimu sana, na kama haina wafanyikazi basi tuseme utapata brokers ndio sasa watakuwa wanafanya kazi hapa. Utakuta watu watakuwa wanaitishwa pesa kiholela na zile services hazitapatikana.